Get ready to check out this modern residential community developed by Toll Brothers located in Arlington, Virginia. This neighborhood is designed for those seeking luxurious living with a focus on both elegance and comfort. Today, I'm excited to be showing you one of the largest single-family homes in this community. So let's get started. What's up, guys? Today, I'm super excited. We are touring the Rouse model at the Grove at Dominion Hills. This home starts at $1.9 million. It is a Toll Brothers home. Everybody knows in the DMV, the Toll Brothers is one of the best, if not the best builder in the DMV. So this is super exciting. You're gonna love it. It's designed amazing. But guys, before we start, I first want to say thank you to everybody who shows their support by referring people, by even reaching out to me to work with me to help you through this home buying process. So now what I want to offer all of the newcomers and new homeowners or future homeowners, I'm going to offer you 2 free home inspections. Why you need 2? One is when you purchase these new construction homes, you want to make sure that everything behind the walls is just as it should be. So I'm going to have a licensed inspector go in there and inspect before you get drywall, actually called the pre-drywall inspection. And then 2, you'll get your final inspection. This is the inspection that most people get, right? So I'm gonna have 2 home inspections. That's a $1,500 value. And also I have my vendors at ADT that will give you free cameras if you decide to add an ADT security system. So I gotta show you guys that I'm rocking with you like you're rocking with me. So I definitely wanted to give y'all those offers. Guys, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel so you can keep getting this real estate content. I'll keep you updated with all of the DMV real estate news. And now let's check out what the Grove at Dominion Hills has to offer. So why purchase a home in this neighborhood? The Grove at Dominion Hills, developed by Toll Brothers, is a luxury home community in Arlington, Virginia. This community has a prime location with convenient access to major commuter routes and transportation options, including East Falls Church Metro Station, Reagan National Airport. For those enjoying outdoors, this neighborhood is situated within walking distance of Upton Hill Regional Park and Bluemont Park. To add to the list of amenities, there are plenty of options for shopping, dining, and entertainment options at Boston Quarter, as well as Washington, D.C. and Georgetown. With over 40 single-family home sites, the Grove offers a variety of spacious home designs, allowing buyers to choose from different architectural styles and layouts. You have the Rouse, Woodward, and Randolph contemporary home layouts to choose from, just to name a few. The Woodward starts at $1.8 million and has 6 beds, 6.5 bathrooms, and an elevator for superb convenience spanning across 5,100 square feet. All houses have the options for main level bedrooms. All of the homes in this neighborhood come with high-end finishes and modern amenities. Residents of the Grove can enjoy exclusive community features such as the clubhouse, fitness center, and walking trails. The community definitely aims to combine ultimate comfort and sophistication in its layout and design. But enough about the neighborhood. Let's go check out the Rouse model that is move-in ready. Entering the home, we have an inviting open concept main level. On your right, you have your office space and walk-in closet that leads you to a powder room. This is incredibly convenient. One of the things that we love to see are these 10-foot ceilings, and we have these beautiful engineered hardwood floors with matching wood beams on the ceiling. We have tons of natural light, a beautifully tiled accent wall, and an oversized fireplace. The kitchen defines how luxurious your home is, and as you see, Toll Brothers did not spare any expense to make this an amazing kitchen, right? Check out how thick the edges are on the quartz countertops. You have these 2 beautiful oversized pendant lights that do a great job with the design, and it matches with the fireplace with the open concept and everything. Check out the ridges on this Kohler oversized sink. This is definitely different than what you see in a typical home. All of the appliances in this kitchen are Gen Air appliances, making this the Ultra Chef's kitchen. You see, we have the 48-inch gas range with overhead vents. This in-counter microwave is so dope. Check this out. you want to close it. There's so much storage in this kitchen, like you'll never run out of space. Check out this pantry. When you're purchasing a home in this price point, you definitely want the hidden fridge and freezer combo. This is a 48-inch Gen Air refrigerator and freezer combo. Tucked away right next to the kitchen, you have a mud room, because in this home, you don't need to wear shoes. So you can keep your shoes here coming in through the garage, and you also have your closet area to put your coats. Check out the garage. This is also something that you don't usually see in new builds. We already have the epoxy flooring in the garage, and also the garage has been finished and painted. This home also includes a covered luxury outdoor living space equipped with a retractable screen and multi-panel stacking doors. This area is perfect for enjoying the outdoors from the comfort of your home. See, Toll Brother does it different. I know you've seen screen porches, but I don't think you've seen any like this one. Check this out. So the front is retractable, but the sides are static. Now, let's head upstairs to check out the primary suite with the ensuite bathroom. Check out this massive bedroom. You have space for anything you need in here. Sitting area, you have 8-foot ceilings, tons of natural light in here. And you also have the floors. The engineered hardwood floors are carried on throughout, and even in the closets, you have the hardwood flooring. His and hers. And then welcome to the ensuite. This bathroom is amazing. Toll Brothers really paid attention to details and your needs as a homeowner. First off, we have speakers in the bathroom because everybody likes to listen to music while they get ready. Then the tile on the floor. I haven't seen this design yet, but it looks really nice, and this is a really nice tile. You have a freestanding tub, and I've showed you some freestanding tubs. 2 people can't fit in all of the freestanding tubs. This one is oversized and enough space for 2 people to enjoy, which I really like. I would just love to take a shower in here every day, every night. I would probably live in the shower. You have the beautiful marble tile, right? You have the bench, you have frameless glass going to the ceiling. You get in this thing, and if you wanted to get steamy, you could sit back and just relax and enjoy your shower by yourself or with another person. Another thing I've noticed is the black, white, and grays used in this house throughout the home, so everything matches. Check out the sink. There are 3 other bedrooms on the 2nd floor. One has a private bathroom, and the other 2 share a Jack and Jill. I'm personally impressed by the design of these 3. And there is, of course, a laundry room. I have something special to show you, but before we go, look at these floors. Again, the attention to detail, right? The grays, the blacks, the whites throughout this house. It looks amazing. Then going to the staircase to take us up to the 3rd floor loft. Black stairs. Guys, this loft is expansive. I mean, you can use this for an alternative entertainment area. I can even see someone's older child using this as their bedroom. It's just so much space. Or, I mean, guys, what would you use the space for if you had all of this space on the 3rd floor with the full bathroom? What would you do with it? What would you do with all this space? This basement is perfect for entertaining. You also have an extra bedroom, full bathroom. You also have this wet bar with overhead cabinetry. a wine cooler, and a dishwasher for the convenience of not having to run upstairs to wash their wine glasses. The price of this gorgeous single-family home starts at $1.9 million, and it offers everything you could ask for while situated in an exclusive community that is known for its upscale living and prime location, providing a perfect balance of suburban tranquility and urban convenience. Guys, let me know what it is that you loved about this home or anything that you may not have liked so much. If you're interested in this property, make sure you contact me so you can get your free 2 home inspections. Again, that's a home inspection, a pre-drywall home inspection. So before the walls go up, you know that everything is done correctly, and also a final inspection to make sure everything is done on the home before you purchase it and go to closing. Make sure you like, share this with your friends that may be interested in purchasing, and make sure you subscribe as well. If you're looking to sell your home, make sure that you contact me so I can give you a true value for your home, a true assessment, not a Zillow value or a Redfin value, a true value so we can get you the most money for your home in the shortest amount of time. My name is Tomei Smith. I'm here to help you upgrade your lifestyle, leave a legacy, and have fun while doing it. Until next time.